Good morning. Today we're going to do a lava lamp. First you'll need canola oil. You're going to pour about 3/4 of that into a Gatorade or a water bottle. Next you'll pour your water, it's about a 1/2 cup inside the Gatorade bottle. Then you're going to add about 10 drops of food coloring. You're going to put the top on top of your bottle and shake it up a little bit so that the food coloring and the water will mix. Then you're going to add your Alka-Seltzer. You're going to break that into 4 small pieces and drop them inside your Gatorade bottle. And then you're going to watch the reaction from the oil, water, and the Alka-Seltzer. And now you have your instant lava lamp.